Hello, it's Glamstract here. Okay, so in today's video, I would like to recreate a 80s inspired makeup look, but I felt inspired by the Madonna from the 80s look. Now, I got some pictures. I saved two particular pictures that really inspired me. So the first one is this one. I was really into this actual makeup look, this blue contrast with some pink and brown and whatever. And then this particular look, which I think is bomb. Look at this, that blush and that red juicy lips and the thick eyebrows. So yes, these are going to be the two looks that I'm going to be inspired and create my makeup look. As usual, hopefully it will look good. And as usual, my camera and lighting are shit, so I apologize in advance. And that's it. Let's just get into it. Okay, so if I start from my eyes first, I want to lie down this blue that we saw earlier, and then we're gonna go around with some pink. I can see some pink in the inner corner here, and some brown around that blue, and then we got some black. Okay, let's start with the blue first, and yeah. My eye shape is so annoying, because look what happened as soon as I look straight. Gone. Where is the blue? Here. For you hooded eyes people out there, I feel you. Cool. I'm already feeling like holidays. I can sing too long because of copyrights, but you know which one it is. If you don't, go and check it out. It's called Holidays by Madonna. Now I can see she's got some brown on the crease, and she got some pink. Well, that's what they call it. The actual picture is a little old, so it's not very well focused, but she got some brown here, and I think she got some pink going on the inner corner and touching kind of the side of your nose. But let's try like that. I'm gonna apply that brown first. It looks like a quite deep brown. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm just gonna fade out that brown a little bit more with a lighter brown. Just go over that. Got that pink right in the inner corner, smoked out on the side of the nose. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna leave the bottom lid after I've done foundation. I think that's it. Just as simple as that. Just because it's me, I think I'm gonna add some pink also on the outer corner here, you know, just for fun. Now I'm gonna quickly do foundation off camera, and I'll come back to do, you know, the intense blush and the rest, you know, bottom lid, mascara, and just wait. Foundation is done. As you can see, I've only done the forehead contour because I got a huge forehead. I'm a man, okay? I didn't do contour on my cheeks because it didn't look like they really used contour that much that time. So I just thought I'll just leave it. I can see in this picture that I'm about to do now, she had a little bit of contour on the jawline, but I actually don't need jawline contour because I got the beard, so I already look contoured. Kind of. But she got a lot of blush. I'm going straight in with the blush now because it looks so much fun on that picture. This is gonna be intense, but don't worry because it's supposed to be intense. Okay, I need more. More. Seriously, look at that blush, it's so cute. I think this trend should come back. Okay, maybe not, but yeah. Here, that's the blush. It doesn't look like they used highlighter. I'm just looking at both pictures right now, and the cheeks are actually really flat. There's no highlight. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a pink highlighter so that it matches this kind of like pink, but I'm not gonna use it actually as a highlight. I'm just gonna keep using it as a blush. I'm using the Jouer one this time, and it's a very light pink, as you can see, but it's gonna leave some nice reflection, hopefully. Yeah. I hope I don't look crazy, y'all. Okay. Now, moving on to, I'm gonna finish my eyes basically. I'm just gonna go back to the previous picture. On the bottom lid, it looked like she had some brown mixed with that pink. I think that's what it looks like. So I'm just going I'm gonna go with some darker color. Now, I can see she got some, I don't know if it's black or dark brown going on just around the waterline. I'll just apply some brown pencil just in my waterline and we'll take it from there. But I'm a little scared, actually. I only have one brown pencil, okay? I got the Fenty Beauty, the new, like, you know. And last time I used it in my waterline, it actually gave me a spot in the waterline, you know, those white water things. So I'm like scared it's gonna happen again. You know what, I'm not gonna do it just to be safe. I don't want that in my eye. I'm just gonna like very closely to the lashes. I'm gonna go with a darker brown, and I'm gonna take more of a precision brush and go closer to the waterline. I'm going to work on my brows because she had quite intense brows then. So I'm actually going to intensify the brows today. I'm going to make them look a little fuller. Maybe I'm going to create some strokes that don't supposed to be there. So you're going to see me playing a little bit with my brows. I'm just going to give them a quick brush first. I'm just going to start simply by filling them in just to make them darker. Now I'm gonna create some few strokes just going towards the inside because I can see Madonna didn't really care at the time about her eyebrows. They were very bushy and I feel like bushy brows are coming back. Just watch out that they're gonna be unibrow soon. I like bushy brow myself, so I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna do a few strokes here just to like create more volume. Oh my god. What the fuck? Funk. I didn't say that word, I said what the funk, okay? I look like one of those, you know, character in the movies, an orc or something. Now I'm gonna go with mascara. Lips. In one picture she had pink lips, pink. And in this picture she had more of a like darker pink. I actually found the perfect pink. I got this liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star in shade Prom Night. This is really pink, let me warn you. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm so pink, I'm so 80s. Oh my god, I look like a clown. The very last final touch. Because it's Madonna, we have to do this. Mole on her lips. The mole came out actually bigger than I wanted it to be, but it's there, so. It's kind of a distraction now. This is the final look. Madonna 80s inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I can inspire you to create a Madonna 80s look for Halloween, for any parties, for every day, whatever you want to do, you know, you do you. If you like this and you want to do it every day, do it every day. Give it a thumbs up. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, and don't forget to subscribe to all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all at Glamstract, and here on YouTube at Glamstract as well. But while you're here, why don't you just subscribe? You're here. And ring the bell so you get notified every time I share a new video. Thanks for watching one more time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.